But like, dude, yeah, I know the data came out and that data was bullish for the stock market. We know that. But you also have to keep in mind that we popped off of that data pre-market, and then we ran up a little bit more during the day. Um, but then we just like kind of hit like a resistance, like we were just topping out all day. And I was really expecting a fade. We never got one. Now going into the close, we did start to get a fade. So I would have to assume that we just go ahead and keep fading. You feel me? Look, Apple coming down the VWAP again. You feel me? Look, look at this volume here. 5.5 million shares at the close. Yeah, this bar looks green, but it's red here and it has a little baby wick on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what happens. But I really believe that we go ahead and fade. I think we gap down or something like that. Cause look at Nvidia. Look, just topping out all day though. Look at it. Look at these charts. Look at this. Look at it. Look at this. So just bullish. And I mean, here's the pop right here off the number print. Then immediately off the open, we sold off, came back down here and just grinded up to the top of the range and basically topping out all day. Except for, and then like we started fading and I was like, okay, this could be the one. But we got down the VWAP and bounced. Got back up here to the top of the range, never really broke past it. And then going into the close, a dump. Look, 2.5 million shares there, a million shares there, 500,000 there, almost 500,000 there. And look, even with all this, look at this candle. It's nothing but a wick. And the wick's on the top, rejecting off the 9, which lets me know that's bullish price. Bearish price action. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see, bro. Like, I usually don't like to swing, but just looking at the price action, and then if you look at success, look at the end of the day, look at this thing, and look, dog, like a quad bottom right here. Look, 1, 2, 3. I mean, there's a couple bottoms here. I'm counting all this as one bottom in consolidation. So quad bottom plus consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on that fourth one, look, we finally tried to see some decent volume and a break above the short term and the 9. Then that last candle opened, I guess, on the same level as the previous candle, but putting in a higher low above the 9 in the short term and stepping up. All right. So, I mean, I'll keep you updated. Now, what's a little concerning is Tesla. But again, Tesla is leading the direction of the market for the past few days or the past few weeks. You feel me? What's today's date? I don't know. Thursday. All right, so tomorrow. So, I mean, you got to assume there's going to be a lot of people selling out of positions. You might have shorts covering, tax harvesting and all that, especially tomorrow, the last day of the week, etc. I honestly believe that we fade tomorrow in a decent way, bro. But anyways, and look, AMD stepping down. Look, Apple stepping down. The SPY stepping down. The Q stepping down. Bonds was catching a bid. All right. SOX S catching a bid. Look, AMD stepping down. Nvidia stepping down. But trying to catch a bid here. But notice that wick reaching up and rejecting off the 9. So we'll see, man. It's a gamble, but bro, we caught a bid off the number print pre-market. And then we ran up a little more and then just topped out the rest of the day. You feel me? And I was expecting us to fade at some point. At least, maybe not all the way to the bottom of the range, but like a decent kind of, A decent fade, we never did. We never did. So I'm gonna go ahead and assume that we fade overnight, or we gap down overnight, or pre-market, or we fade tomorrow, something like that. Um, and again, bro, no one has a crystal ball. No one knows the future. But all we can do is be in the markets and uh, get in that vital screen time and try to gather as many edges as possible and put them all together to formulate a plan and a bias and then execute based off that. So that's what I'm doing, and we'll see if I'm right or wrong. I've been right a lot of times. I've also been wrong a lot of times. And that's just the way this goes. That's the nature of the beast. But anyways, it's your boy E coming at you with some finance solutions. If you learned anything or found any value in the content, don't be afraid to hit the like button, sub, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my Discord and Patreon to sign up for that daily morning watch list and briefing, which gives you that edge, brethren. Peace. Decent. That watch list is a decent value, bro. It's decent, and I'm gonna start bringing it out more. You mean I check it every morning? You feel me? But I was thinking about going over it via live stream, like at least some of it. But yeah, you know, like with the live streaming and everything, bro, it's just too many issues. But I'm gonna try to get it worked out. But anyways, again, it's your boy E. Peace.